Ever wonder how certain websites always appear at the top when you search for something online? That's no accident. It's the power of SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the strategy of making your online content more visible to search engines, helping it rank higher and thus be more easily discovered by users. In a vast digital sea, SEO is your beacon, guiding potential visitors to your site. It's the difference between being a hidden gem and a popular go-to destination. But wait, what is this mystical SEO we speak of? Let's break it down. First up, keyword research. Imagine knowing the exact words and phrases your audience types into search bars. This is all about discovering those golden terms. Then, we have on-page SEO. This isn't about merely adding keywords to your content. It's an art, crafting quality content while placing the right terms in the right spots. Next, off-page SEO. Think of your site as a superstar. The more fans, or in this case other websites that shout out to you, the more famous you become in the eyes of search engines. Lastly, technical SEO. Behind the scenes of every great show is an impeccable crew. Similarly, behind every smooth-running website are elements like quick loading times, mobile friendliness, and secure connections. Now that we have set the stage, let's dive into the action. Get ready to see these SEO principles come to life in real time.
As you can see, our SEMrush platform is now open and ready for use, thus directing our attention to the Keyword Overview option presented here. In the Keyword Overview section, you're prompted to enter a keyword. For instance, I'll input a random keyword, such as SEO course. After inputting the keyword, you'll notice a prompt to select a country. I'll choose the United States for this example and proceed to analyze. Following the analysis, a comprehensive overview is displayed. Let's explore the provided information. Firstly, it's apparent that the selected country and our keyword are displayed. You have the option to add additional keywords for simultaneous analysis. Here we have our volume data. Volume refers to the monthly search volume, indicating how many times the keyword is searched for in a month. This figure is the data specific to our chosen country. Additionally, there is global volume data available. While we have a certain volume within our selected country, on a global scale, or considering searches worldwide, the volume for this keyword is approximately 18,000. Additionally, the data provides a country-wide breakdown of the search volume. Notably, the keyword is searched most frequently in India, followed by Pakistan, with subsequent countries listed thereafter. Moving on to keyword difficulty, it's rated at 86%. Different tools might refer to this metric as competition, or sometimes as SEO difficulty. It's typically measured on a scale from 0 to 100, represented in percentages. Therefore, an 86% keyword difficulty is what we're observing here. Keyword difficulty sits at 86%, signifying an extremely competitive keyword that will be challenging to rank for. Another insightful feature of SEMrush is its ability to display intent, revealing the objective behind a keyword's use. Here, it denotes an informational and commercial keyword, which appears to be precise. If I alter the keyword, for instance, switching to SEO, you'll observe a shift in intent. It has now turned only informational. The capacity of the platform to relay intent information is indeed quite valuable. In addition to that, we see the trend data. It's not presenting a very favorable trend, something we'll delve deeper into using Google Trends. Ensure to take a closer look at that. Furthermore, data related to CPC, cost per click, and the commercial aspect are displayed, which can be particularly beneficial for Google Ads campaigns. Besides that, the keyword variations have come here. Here, we have a 417.8K keywords, so the total volume we observe here is 5.4 million. While you have the option to analyze all of these, we won't delve into that at the moment. It raises the question, how do you select the best keyword from such an extensive list? Let's explore further. Here we see the desktop option, but you can also switch to mobile to view how it will be displayed on mobile devices or to understand mobile-specific searches. So let me adjust that here. Here we have the SERP analysis, meaning for this specific keyword, over 1.8 billion results are available. How do they present? For instance, which website ranks number 1 for this keyword? Consequently, further rankings follow. Thus, this section provides a comprehensive analysis. Now, I'll explore all the keyword variations available. Every keyword is revealed and visible to me, along with each one's volume and keyword difficulty, abbreviated as KD. Their intent is also displayed. I stands for informational, C for commercial. Even transactional keywords are visible, offering a robust result set. Furthermore, I can apply filters to these keywords as needed. Firstly, the keywords displayed are of the broad match type. Broad match refers to keywords closely associated with our primary or seed keyword. Essentially, it captures the most closely related terms. However, if I switch to related keywords, the keyword count decreases, but I still see a significant volume. This lets us view terms that are contextually related. You have the flexibility to view either related keywords, broad match terms, or even exact match, which showcases keywords precisely matching the term SEO. You can also do phrase match. I wouldn't recommend that you download, say, 100,000 keywords and then analyze each one. We simply don't have the bandwidth for that. Remember, our goal is to research keywords for specific pages. To streamline this process, I usually apply certain filters. So what I typically do is set a volume parameter. For example, I'm applying a range of 2,000. I've set this filter. As for keyword difficulty, you can adjust according to your needs. If it's a new website, I would suggest avoiding overly competitive keywords. We can determine a suitable range and select it here. Now, how do you download these keywords? Begin by selecting all keywords and observe this option here. Yes, right there. Select it. See this sharing option? Click on it. Now it's inquiring about the format in which you want to download the data. Excel S6, CSV, or CSV semicolon. If I choose CSV, data can be utilized in multiple platforms. However, since I need to work in Excel at the moment, I'll select Excel. Feel free to choose the format that suits your needs.
Now you are going to learn how you can improve the on-page SEO using SEMrush. Let's configure the tool. Click On-Page SEO. Here type and paste your website URL. First, select your target location. Choose wisely because you won't be able to change the target location once the campaign is running. Then, the tool will automatically recommend importing the pages and keywords from the Organic Research Report and the Position Tracking tool. Alternatively, you can add the pages and keywords you want to study, manually, one by one. From a previously created CSV file, or from your Google Search Console account. To be able to import the pages and keywords from your Google Search Console account, you need to connect it. Thus, SEMrush will be able to provide you with page suggestions based on clicks, impressions, and CTR. When importing from SEMrush Organic Research, you can adjust your pages list by applying filters by position, volume, and keywords number, as well as presence or absence of specific words. This will allow you to filter the pages by these parameters. At the second step, you'll be asked to choose a user agent name to crawl your website. It can be either an SEMrush bot or a Google bot. Finally, you can schedule crawls to recollect ideas. On the overview page, you'll see a donut chart with the total number of ideas broken down into 7 categories. These ideas fall under the following recommendations: how to implement your keywords in your text properly, how to semantically enrich your content with other keywords from a similar topic, how long your pieces of content should be, where to get good backlinks from, which of your landing pages are to be optimized first for your keywords, what actions to take in order to obtain SERP features, how to get rid of technical issues that might affect your page's rankings, and if you connect your Google Analytics account, how to optimize UX or user experience. Remember, SEO is all about user experience, so if your users aren't having a good experience on your page, you are less likely to rank highly. To find out more about each set of ideas and how it can help, at the bottom of the page, you'll see a table with a prioritized list of pages to optimize. The priority is based on the number of ideas for a specific page, the amount of traffic the implementation of these ideas can bring, and the ease of the implementation. The pages with the highest priority are at the top of the list with 3 solid yellow bars, while the lower priority pages have 1 or even no yellow bars. Prioritization is needed to help you concentrate on the most urgent and important things first. Click View All Pages and Ideas and you'll be sent to the Optimization Ideas tab, where all the tool's suggestions are listed. Top 10 Benchmarking is the place where you can learn much about their strategies in order to adopt their best practices. Just hover on the corresponding ideas icon. Below the summary graph, you can find a bar chart comparing your current and potential traffic, the estimation of organic traffic that can be brought to your site, provided that your URLs ranked number 1 organically for every keyword within the campaign. Currently, it is not showing because it needs 1 more day to collect the data. They're grouped by your landing pages and sorted by priority by default. Take a closer look at the column with a drop-down list. You can select a specific category to see the ideas referring to this category. Choose the page you want to optimize first, and click the green button with the number of ideas. Now we are going to learn how to build backlinks using SEMrush. Once you log into SEMrush, navigate to the Link Building tool. Here you'll initiate a new project by entering your website URL. Next, add your target keywords for which you aim to rank. These can be single or multiple keywords, separated by commas. Select the location you're targeting. Then click on the Add button. Proceed to the Competitors section, where you can input the URLs of competitors already ranking for your chosen keywords. I'll be adding 2 competitors for this example. After entering them, click on the Add button, followed by the Start Link Building green button. SEMrush will now analyze the backlink profiles of your competitors and present you with potential prospects. In our case, it has identified 715 potential websites for building backlinks. The SEMrush dashboard offers a wealth of features to streamline your link building campaign. You can view the URL type, indicating whether it's a general website, blog, or news magazine. The authority score, or AS, reflects the site's value for acquiring a backlink. A higher score denotes more value. The rating is based on quality, niche, and other factors. Now you can select all the prospects or handpick a few for outreach. I'm choosing 4 prospects for now. Before contacting them, you can click on the source page to ensure relevance with your website's theme. However, since competitors have already secured backlinks from these sites and are ranking, well, it's a good indication of their suitability. After selecting the domains, move to the In Progress tab. Here you can reach out to website administrators via email. Click on the Contact button, and a mailbox will open. You can input the admin's email manually or use SEMrush's suggested contact. Compose your subject line and message body. If you need inspiration, a quick Google search for link-building outreach templates can provide some examples. Finally, the Monitor tab lets you track the progress of your outreach efforts, indicating whether emails are sent, pending, or have received replies. The Overview tab will give you a comprehensive view of all data and progress. Now let's deep dive into SEO audit. Let's kick things off by navigating to the Site Audit tab. This is where the magic happens. Now create project by enter your website URL, but I am going to directly on existing added project. Here we are at the Overview dashboard, our command center for website analysis. It's a goldmine of information, presenting a snapshot of your site's health compared to the top 10% of websites. Look at all these metrics: errors, warnings, notices, crawlability, HTTPS issues, core web vitals, site performance, and internal linking. We've also got a breakdown of crawled pages, healthy pages, broken pages, and issues pages. It's a comprehensive look at where your site stands. Now let's zone in on the top issues section. This is where we identify the major errors that need your immediate attention. First up, we're seeing that 64 pages have duplicate content issues. This is crucial. It appears there are two versions of the same domain being crawled by bots. One with www and one without. To search engines, these are unique pages, but in reality, it's just one. This calls for proper redirection to resolve the issue. Next, we have CSS and JavaScript issues impacting website load times. The solution? Minify those JavaScript and CSS files. In the crawled pages section, we're spotting broken pages, which means deleted pages that are affecting the usability of your website. You can fix these broken links either by deleting them from the server or by implementing a 301 redirect to relevant pages on your website. Lastly, let's talk about the canonical issue. This occurs when there are two versions of a website being crawled by bots, leading to site-wide duplication issues. To tackle this, you can fix it by either redirecting HTTP pages to HTTPS or by adding a rel canonical tag to HTTP pages. And there you have it. Remember, identifying the issues is only the first step. The real game changer is how effectively you implement these solutions. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on enhancing your website's SEO. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't hesitate to drop your questions or insights in the comments below. Until next time, keep optimizing.